The ocean is full of amazing creatures. From the tiniest plankton to the largest whales, the diversity of life beneath the waves is truly astounding. Each species plays a unique role in the marine ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance that sustains life in the ocean. Fish dart through colorful coral reefs, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors and movement. These reefs are bustling underwater cities, teeming with life and activity. Schools of fish move in perfect harmony, their synchronized movements a testament to the wonders of nature. Whales sing their haunting songs, their deep, resonant calls echoing through the vast ocean. These gentle giants communicate across great distances, their songs a mysterious and beautiful part of the underwater soundscape. Each whale's song is unique, telling a story of its journey through the seas. But have you ever heard of the sea urchin? These small, spiny creatures might not be as famous as whales or as colorful as coral reefs, but they are just as fascinating. Sea urchins are like underwater pincushions, their bodies covered in sharp spines that protect them from predators. These fascinating animals are like underwater pincushions. Their spines come in various shapes and sizes, some long and needle-like, others short and stubby. These spines serve multiple purposes, from defense to locomotion, helping the sea urchin navigate its underwater world. They might look prickly, but they are important to the ocean's health. Sea urchins play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. They feed on algae, preventing it from overgrowing and smothering coral reefs. By keeping algae in check, sea urchins help ensure the survival of many other marine species. Let's dive in and discover the world of sea urchins. These intriguing creatures can be found in oceans all around the globe, from the warm waters of the tropics to the icy depths of the polar regions. Each species of sea urchin has adapted to its unique environment, showcasing the incredible diversity of life in the ocean. Sea urchins are found in all the world's oceans. They are incredibly adaptable, thriving in a wide range of habitats. Whether in shallow tide pools or deep underwater forests, sea urchins have found ways to survive and thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. They live in shallow tide pools and deep underwater forests. In tide pools, sea urchins must withstand the constant ebb and flow of the tides, while in kelp forests, they navigate through dense underwater vegetation. Each habitat presents its own set of challenges, but sea urchins have evolved to meet them all. Some prefer rocky shores, while others burrow into the sandy bottom. On rocky shores, sea urchins cling to the surfaces of rocks, using their spines and tube feet to hold on tight. In sandy environments, they burrow into the seabed, creating small depressions where they can hide from predators. No matter where they live, sea urchins play a vital role in keeping their underwater homes healthy. By grazing on algae, they prevent it from overwhelming other marine life. This grazing activity helps maintain the biodiversity of the ecosystem, ensuring that coral reefs and other habitats remain vibrant and thriving. Sea urchins are truly unsung heroes of the ocean, their presence essential to the health and balance of marine environments. Sea urchins are fascinating invertebrates that inhabit the ocean's depths. This means they don't have bones. Unlike vertebrates, which have a backbone, sea urchins rely on a different kind of structure to support their bodies. Instead, they have a hard outer shell called a test. This test is made up of calcium carbonate, which provides a sturdy yet lightweight armor for the sea urchin. This test is covered in spines. These spines are not just for show, they serve several important functions. The spines protect sea urchins from predators. When a predator approaches, the sea urchin can point its spines in the direction of the threat, making it difficult for the predator to get close. They can be sharp and pointy or short and stubby. The variety in spine shapes and sizes helps sea urchins adapt to different environments and threats. Underneath the spines, sea urchins have tiny tube feet. These tube feet are part of the sea urchin's water vascular system, which is a network of hydraulic canals. These feet help them move around and find food. The tube feet extend and contract, allowing the sea urchin to crawl along the ocean floor in search of sustenance. Sea urchins also have a mouth on their underside. This mouth is equipped with a unique structure known as Aristotle's lantern, which consists of 5 calcareous plates that work together to scrape and chew food. They use it to graze on algae and other things they find on the ocean floor. Algae is a primary food source for many sea urchins, but they also consume other organic matter, contributing to the ocean's ecosystem by keeping algae populations in check. Sea urchins begin their life as tiny larvae, floating in the water column. These larvae are planktonic, meaning they drift with the ocean currents until they find a suitable place to settle and grow. As they develop, they undergo a fascinating metamorphosis, transforming from free-swimming larvae into the spiny, bottom-dwelling adults we recognize. There are over 950 species of sea urchins, each with its own unique characteristics. They come in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes, from the small and delicate to the large and robust. Sea urchins can be found in a wide range of marine habitats, including rocky shores, coral reefs, and kelp forests. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in diverse environments, from shallow waters to the deep sea. They also play a crucial role in their ecosystems, often forming symbiotic relationships with other marine creatures. For example, some fish and shrimp use sea urchins as shelter, hiding among their spines to avoid predators. In tide pools, sea urchins can be seen clinging to rocks, using their tube feet to hold on tightly as waves crash over them. This ability to withstand harsh conditions makes them resilient inhabitants of the intertidal zone. Scientists study sea urchins to learn more about their biology and their role in the marine environment. Research on sea urchins has even contributed to our understanding of developmental biology and regenerative medicine. In addition to their ecological importance, sea urchins are also valued as a delicacy in many cultures. The roe, or uni, is considered a gourmet food and is enjoyed in various dishes around the world. Whether in the wild or in an aquarium, sea urchins captivate us with their unique appearance and intriguing behaviors. They are a testament to the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. So next time you see a sea urchin, take a moment to appreciate the complexity and beauty of these remarkable creatures. They are more than just spiny balls. They are vital members of the marine world, each with a story to tell. Sea urchins can live in many different places. Some like warm, tropical waters. Others prefer the cold, dark depths of the ocean. You can find them in coral reefs, rocky shores, and kelp forests. Some sea urchins even live in the sand. They use their spines and tube feet to burrow into the ocean floor. This helps them hide from predators and find food. No matter where they live, sea urchins are well adapted to their environment. Ocean gardeners. The importance of sea urchins. Sea urchins might seem small, but they play a big role in the ocean. They are important for keeping the ecosystem balanced. One way they do this is by eating algae. Too much algae can be harmful to other sea creatures. Sea urchins help control algae growth by munching on it. This keeps the ocean healthy for other plants and animals to thrive. They are like the gardeners of the sea. Urchin variety, from pencil points to tiny jewels. There are over 900 different species of sea urchins. These fascinating creatures inhabit oceans all over the world, from the shallow coastal waters to the deep sea. Each species has adapted uniquely to its environment, showcasing an incredible range of diversity. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some sea urchins are small and delicate, while others are large and robust. Their colors can range from muted browns and greens to vibrant purples, reds, and even electric blues. This diversity not only makes them visually stunning, but also plays a role in their survival, as their colors can help them blend into their surroundings or warn predators of their toxicity. Some are round like golf balls, while others are flat like pancakes. The round ones often have a more uniform distribution of spines, which can help them move more efficiently across the ocean floor. In contrast, the flat ones can spread out and anchor themselves more securely in crevices and rocky areas, making them less vulnerable to strong currents and predators. The spines of sea urchins can also be very different. These spines are not just for show. They serve multiple purposes, including protection, locomotion, and even sensory functions. The structure and arrangement of these spines can vary greatly between species, reflecting their different lifestyles and habitats. Some are long and sharp like needles. These needle-like spines can deter predators and are often found on sea urchins that live in more exposed environments where they need extra protection. These spines can also help in burrowing into the sand or anchoring themselves to rocks. Others are short and stubby like a hairbrush. These shorter spines can be more flexible and are often found on sea urchins that live in more sheltered environments. They can help the urchin navigate through tight spaces and can also be used to manipulate food items. Some sea urchins even have poisonous spines. These spines can inject toxins into potential predators, causing pain, paralysis, or even death. The bright warning colors of these poisonous sea urchins serve as a deterrent, signaling to other creatures that they are not to be messed with. One thing is for sure, There is a lot of variety in the world of sea urchins. This incredible diversity makes them a fascinating subject of study for marine biologists and a beautiful sight for divers and ocean enthusiasts. Whether you are looking at their intricate patterns, their vibrant colors, or their unique adaptations, sea urchins are truly remarkable creatures that continue to captivate and inspire. Fun facts, surprising secrets of sea urchins. Did you know that sea urchins are related to starfish? They are both echinoderms, which means spiny skin. Sea urchins can also live for a very long time. Some species can live for over 100 years. Another amazing fact is that sea urchins don't have brains. Instead, they have a network of nerves that help them sense their surroundings. Protecting our spiny friends, a call for conservation. Sea urchins are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in the ocean, but they are facing threats from pollution, climate change, and overfishing. We need to protect these amazing animals so they can continue to thrive. We can all do our part by reducing our impact on the ocean. By learning about sea urchins and sharing what we know, we can help ensure their survival for generations to come.